let's start with chapter number 18, our universe. So in this chapter, we will study about universe. What is universe? It is vast empty space around us. It consists of billions of stars and several other heavenly bodies. So our solar system is just a small part. It believed that universe was born billions of years ago and it is known as Big Bang. As a result, explosion, things in the universe spread apart. These things were hot and dense, and slowly, when they begin to cool down, grow bigger. This is how various heavenly bodies are formed, and universe was born. What is galaxy? A large group of stars in the universe is called galaxy. There are many galaxies. उसमें से एक है आपकी Milky Way, और उसको हम आकाशगंगा में. Then we have planets. They are heavenly bodies that can be seen shining in the night sky. They do not have their own light. They shine white because they reflect the light of sun. Planets move around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. Then we have our solar system. Solar system consists of sun, 8 planets, moons, many dwarf planets, asteroid belts, comets, meteors, and other heavenly bodies. So if we talk about sun is in the center of our solar system, the planet, their moons, a belt of asteroids, comets, rocks and gas orbit the sun. The 8 planets from distant sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Another large body is Pluto, now classified as dwarf planet or Plutoid, a belt of asteroids made of rocks and metals that lies between Mars and Jupiter. So all these orbits around the sun, roughly in a circular orbit. Now what is star? It is the heavenly body that can be seen twinkling in the sky. The stars होते हैं, they are very big, they have their own heat and light, but they look very small. हमें बहुत छोटे दिखाई देते हैं. Why? Because they are very far away from us. ये हमसे बहुत ज़्यादा क्या है, दूर है, right? So Venus, it is also known as Venus को हम morning और evening star कहते हैं. What is constellation? When star makes different patterns. ठीक है, जो recognized होते हैं in the sky. A group of star forming some special shape of animal or thing is known as constellation. We have Great Bear, Ursa Major or Saptarishi, Ursa Minor, Virgo and Orion, right? Then we have satellite, heavenly body that revolve around the planet is called satellite, and moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. Planets have more than one natural satellite. Then we have moon. Moon is the natural satellite. Moon shines in the night sky due to light of the sun. It looks so big and bright because it is close as compared to other. It is about 3,84,400 km away. It does not look like the earth. There is no wind on the moon. कोई हवा नहीं है, कोई atmosphere नहीं है, and there are changes in shape, and the different shapes we see of the moon are called phases of the moon. वो डिपेंड करता है पोजीशन पे. Then we have artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are the satellites that are made by men, right? So these satellites are sent through rockets and they are either revolve around the earth or they are placed at the position. Like Sputnik first, world की पहली first artificial satellite, that is Sputnik first. It was launched on 4th of October 1957 by Soviet Union and it's orbit the earth for 6 types of satellite. Weather satellite, they are used to study atmospheric conditions. Some satellites इनका हम use करते हैं to photograph the earth and natural resources. Remote sensing satellites, ये features बताती है. Then we have communication satellite जिससे हम क्या transmit करते हैं, telephone, conversation and TV program. Let's study about some interesting facts. What are these? A dog named Laika was first living beings to go into space. Yuri Gagarin, first Russian astronaut, was the first men to step on the space, and your Valentina Tereshkova, ये another Russian थे, Russian woman थी. Neil Armstrong and Elvis Aldrin, first men to walk on the moon. Squadron leader Rakesh Sharma, first Indian to go into space. Kalpana Chawla, first Indian woman, and जो shuttle Columbia. Sunita Williams was Indian origin and has record of the longest stay in the space by women. सबसे लंबे टाइम तक लगे. This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.